Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to read any deleted message in WhatsApp. Sometime it happened with us, anyone sent message in WhatsApp but he deleted it before we see it. That's why you can't see it. So if you really want to learn how to see deleted message in WhatsApp, then make sure you watch the video till the end. And another thing, I will ask you something, that if you till not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my video first. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to open your Play Store. Then search here notisave, Notisave, and search it. And after that you will see here this application notisave. Install this first one. After complete installation process, now open this app. Then you will see here interface like this. Just swipe it to right side, then click on next. After that, allow access of notification, then click on next, then enable this one and click on allow. Just get back from here, click on allow, wait a few seconds, then click on next. From here you can enable a specific app. Which app's message do you want to save? So I don't want to change this, just get back. They're telling us for scroll down and find out battery saver, then set no restriction. Okay, we are going to do it. Click on next, just scroll down, and as you can see here, battery saver option, click on it. Now just select no restrictions, just get back from here. Now you need to enable auto start option, click on next, scroll down and enable this notisave auto start, get back from here. Click on next, again click on next, then next, click on this right icon. Finally your work is done. Now you nothing have to do, your message will be saved automatically. You can see your WhatsApp deleted message. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how it's work. So in my phone I have 2 WhatsApp account. I'm gonna open my first WhatsApp account. From this account I'm gonna send a message to my second account. Okay, as you can see, it has sent message in my second account. Now I'm gonna delete this message. After that I'm just going to my another account. Here you can see this message was deleted, that's why I can't see this message. So don't worry, just open your notification bar. Then here below you can see our message was saved here. Just click on it. Now you can see here all deleted messages are saved here. So now just tap here. Then you will see here all contacts deleted message here. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and to get this types of video, please hit the like button of this video. And if you have any queries, then let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video.